Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karanta Ratmash Muhammad. My student ID 2421221210. Let's talking about promoting reading. Today, we are not talking about reading as we know it, but we are talking about power of reading. Let's singing the word, the power that starts with the text and can create hope for the humans of future, because reading is not just a skill in daily life, but is the foundation of learning and create to the uh, limitless word. Then it helps understanding the word uh, or myself and order for children. It builds imagination, vocabulary, critical thinking, and communication skill. But in today's digital age, the value of reading, especially printed books, is sadly declining. So that's why it's of all teachers, parents, or and the media to encourage love of reading from an early age, not just exam, but to help children want to read and make a reading. So let's think about it. How can we help people love reading more? Whether you are a teacher, a parent, or just someone who cares, you can help. You can read with a child, share a book you like. We are helping to build a smarter and kinder world for tomorrow. Let's make reading something fun and special that stay with us forever. I hope that. Thank you.